Today is February 27th, 2019, Wednesday. Okay, I've been putting off cleaning this kitchen for too long. No more procrastinating. Let's get it done. It looks a little better. I still gotta do the dishes, and my sister's art projects are still up here along with her mail. But I think it looks better. Can't forget to feed the fish. I want to make sure I do it today. Wasn't 100% sure if I fed the fish yesterday. Okay, fish fed. I also got another delivery from Amazon. I have no idea what it is this time. Open. There we go. Oh, I know what it is. It's for the wood wax, or whatever. Wood finish, wood polish, wood conditioner. It's for the little art project I got going on. There's a close-up. I'll let you know how it works. It rained pretty hard last night, but it's not currently raining now. It's just windy again. So I think I might go for a walk. And the wind directly on the beach is blowing really hard, and it really sucks. It's actually pretty nice, as long as you don't go anywhere near the beach. And this is what my hair looks like after I walk in the wind. There we go, it's a little better now. I got another package today, although I think I know what this is. This probably is the TR-87 camcorder power supply I got. Although I'm a little worried because I actually have a TR-V87 camcorder. That comes free with it. I saw that. I don't know if this will work, but I'll try. Power adapter. I hope it works. I don't know. I don't even know if it's the right power wattage or whatever. Output 8.4 volts. I'll try it. Moment of truth. As soon as I figure out how to turn it on. Oh, we got power. We got something. It's charging the battery. Although I think the battery's probably not good. Got some. I knew it. I saw it. I got a free tape. I have no idea what's on it. I will continue to try to figure this thing out, see if it actually works. At least I know I can play the tapes. I'll continue messing with it until I figure out how to actually use the camera. Either this camcorder doesn't work, or I am not smart enough to figure it out. This is what it looks like when I have the power off, but plugged in. And this is what it looks like when I have it on VTR mode, which is, I guess, where you can play the tapes back. But when I put it to camera, I get nothing. I can't see a picture in the viewfinder or the LCD monitor. Got nothing. I even got it unlocked. But yeah, it's like got nothing now. But it does have power still. Don't know. You would think at least be able to see a picture, you know, what, something. So after watching a YouTube video, I've come to the conclusion that the camcorder mode on this does not work. I just got a call from an espresso shop in Capitola. They want me there tomorrow for a working interview. I'll be doing food prep. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow.